Hey, this is Jules with the Daily Drop Society. Let's talk about the 6 dangers you need to be aware of when using essential oils at home. Now, the first danger you need to be aware of is using too much. Now, we live in a world where we think if a little is good, more must be better, but this does not apply when it comes to the essential oil world. In fact, to get the most success out of using essential oils, you just need to use a little bit of essential oil more often to see amazing results. Now, what this does for our bodies, when we use a little bit at a time, it actually gives our body a chance to metabolize the essential oil that we are using. In fact, most of the people who had reactions with using essential oils is because they used too much. Don't dump a full bottle of oil on your body thinking it's gonna do something really quickly for you. Our bodies don't work that way. Give it a little bit of time to use what it needs, and then you can always add a little bit more. Just use common sense. 1 to 2 drops is all you really ever need at a time. Danger number 2 is irritating your skin. That's why it's so important that you dilute an essential oil. Even if you're just using 1 to 2 drops at a time, it's really important that you always dilute when using these powerful essential oils. Now, diluting just means using a carrier oil that helps distribute the essential oil evenly onto your skin and onto your body. In fact, using a carrier oil not only preps the skin so it actually absorbs the essential oil better, but it makes it so it doesn't evaporate as fast from your skin. Now remember, these oils are volatile aromatic compounds, which means the moment they get into the air, they evaporate into the air right away. Now, by using that carrier oil with it on your skin, it actually helps it absorb better and not fly up into the air. Now, different carrier oils that you can use are things like a coconut oil. My favorite is fractionated coconut oil. You could use jojoba oil, avocado oils, any of those oils that help calm, smooth, and carry that oil on your skin. The number 3 danger to using essential oils is using a plastic or styrofoam container for them. Now, essential oils are so powerful that they can actually eat through low-grade plastic and styrofoam cups. And that's the last thing you want to be putting on your body. So, just using a high enough grade plastic for your essential oils is what you need to do. An example is typically a diffuser. A diffuser is made of that high grade plastic, so those are easy to use with them, but don't use cheap plastics to drop oils in to help you with diluting. Always stick to glass or metal bottles when using essential oils. Now, the number 4 danger to using essential oils is treating essential oils like they're the end all be all. I personally use essential oils every day of my life, but that doesn't mean that it replaces a doctor or replaces medications on my own. These tools are to be used in conjunction with what we're currently doing and to be used with a doctor they're helping. Now, what makes essential oils so incredible when using these in conjunction is that they help address the root cause, and that sometimes takes time. So always use caution. I like to always use essential oils first if there's something going on with me that I need to support my body with, but I don't let that problem get out of control before I do seek medical attention. So an example of this is with my son. When we got home from being out of the country for 5 months, he came home and his eyes just exploded. Red, swollen, puffy. It was pretty scary, and I was really concerned as a mom. So I made an appointment with our doctor because I wanted to make sure it wasn't any sort of an infection going on with him. Well, once going to the doctor, we found out it wasn't an infection. It was a case of allergies. And so with my doctor, we worked together to come up with some herbs, some essential oils, and within a week, that had completely subsided. The moral of the story is, always consult your doctor. Be upfront about what you're doing with your health, and find a doctor who wants to work with you just like mine did on coming up with a natural solution when that option is available to you. Now, the 5th danger you need to be careful with using essential oils is using generic oils. This is the scariest thing of all to me. You hear frankincense is great for your skin, so you go out and you see that there is a bottle of frankincense at the dollar store. So you think, I'm gonna give it a try. You use it on your skin and you have a negative reaction to it, and you think all essential oils are terrible. I'm never using them again. You guys, I'm here to tell you that bottle of oil was fake. With the booming industry of essential oils right now, a lot of people are trying to get into the market, but the problem is they're using fake chemical makeups. They're cutting the oils with cheaper oils, and truthfully, they're not giving you the real deal that Mother Nature has given to us to help support and heal our bodies. In fact, a leading essential oil chemist said that 85% of the essential oils on the market today are adulterated, which means they're fake. That's a really scary thought, you guys. You can't just go to a big box store and pick up a bottle of essential oils expecting those health benefits. If you like the smell, it's no different than spraying perfume or having a plug-in wallflower in your home. You're not going to get the health benefits from it like a pure essential oils can. What's even scarier is that these fake oils can cause lung and skin irritations and actually hurt your health. Be careful to only order straight from companies you trust that give you the testing that you know are completely pure. This is so important when using essential oils safely. Now, my number 6 danger to be aware of, and my last one, is being frozen. And what I mean by this is that you've heard so much stuff, you're afraid of getting it wrong. You're afraid you're going to use the wrong oil, so you just don't do anything. To me, this is the scariest part about using essential oils, because these tools are so absolutely incredible, and I want you guys to know, even if you use the wrong essential oil, you're still doing something amazing for your body. Remember, these essential oils have hundreds of compounds in every single drop. So sometimes, yeah, it may not have been the best oil to use, but it's still one that's going to have great health benefits and could actually help in the long run. I remember once I had a friend who texted me and told me that she used a certain essential oil to help with an irritation on her foot. However, that essential oil was made for your respiratory system. And it almost made me laugh inside, because I thought, you know what? It worked for her, because it still had a few of those compounds she needed to help with that irritation. You guys, don't be afraid. Don't be frozen. Don't listen to all these crazy things you read online and all these people saying all these negative things. Think of what you would want to use. What's the alternative? Is it waiting it out till it gets worse, or is it being proactive in your health? You guys, those are the 6 dangers I wanted to share with you about using essential oils. I'm so glad you could be here with us, and make sure you check back every week for new videos on a more empowered living. Thanks, guys.